Alright, my G's, me there and I just want to talk to you a little bit cause I know no video never did go up. And you must have wonder what I go on, but you know said the hurricane and all that already, so basically we just there. Right now I'm over S. I've been over S from Saturday night. I'm over here from Saturday night, now Tuesday morning. You know what I mean? And I know I don't see no hurricane. And we have God for thank for that. You know what I mean? The hurricane shift, the hurricane no bother come Florida. Well, right now, as me speak to you right now, I really and truly don't know which part of the hurricane there. Because it moves so slow, and right now I just want everybody comment and actually pray for Bahamas right now, because trust me, them need it. Some footage you may see and picture of what go on at the Bahamas, or the hurricane deal with it crazy. So we have to pray for the Bahamas, and yet again we have to thank God say he never make landfall to Florida, because he got category 5, which is the highest, can't go no more than that. So either aim for hit Florida at category 5. All day yesterday it moved 0 miles per hour, so it basically never did a move, and it just there in the Bahamas just now move. It's just the one place and just a spin and just rain, wind, and it's just crazy. Right now it moves so slow. Yesterday never did a move. Today Tuesday, and I know we not feel no hurricane type breeze, we not get no big rain, we not get nothing. And yet again, I want to say thank God for that, because it a go liquid head on and it turn. You know what I mean? So what if people still in a danger? We have to pray for them, because it not done, it not gone. It's still out there. You know what I mean? So right now, me not in an immediate threat, or you know, but you have other places where the hurricane go right now, and at them we need to keep in our prayers. And we can't stress the fact how much we need to keep the Bahamas in our prayers, because it deal with them away. When I say away, it deal with the Bahamas away. I see people actually chopping at them house, and them they upstairs and can't go nowhere else, and water reach upstairs. That's how scary it is. You know what I mean? So again, we just have to pray for them, and thank God he never reach you. So just a hurricane update. Me I go to Trabass the upstairs right now. Don't like him not too long come out that bathroom. He upstairs right now, blew the right there. So just there, and we have bail. And I just want to post an update for today. So this is gonna be the vlog today. I'm not sure if me I go just upload this, or me just vlog out the rest of the day and upload this tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'll probably just do the party and just upload the party, and so when I get it and just know the update what I go on, because we not post, basically not post, I post Saturday, I never post Sunday, I'm gonna post Monday, so 2 days that. So when all of this hurricane thing blow off, we kind of have to go hard, because we owe that too now. We missed 2 days, and we never that try miss none, so now we have to go hard again. I done telling you say we have couple short script where we are work on. Me actually have 2 shots film already, well script out where me need to shoot this week. Me do want to shoot them for upload it, but it's time, so we have to push it back to next week. We have couple surprise, couple people are flying at the building. Cause we in September now, today is 2nd of September, so in a like more say not 2 weeks time, around, well, 2.5 weeks time, you're gonna see some new face in our building, familiar face, but yeah, but in a 2.5 weeks we're gonna see what go on, cause we have a whole heap of things in store for now. Right now, me just there, me just at top, so me just gonna close the party right now. We probably, as me said, me probably just edit this and just upload it to YouTube, or me probably just vlog a little more and put it up. I feel like I just do this and just put up this. You know what I mean? So when you just understand what I go on. I just go into this in idea. I go edit this right now. It's actually Tuesday morning, as me just telling you. So I go edit this right now and just put it up so I get something to watch not only get something for watch but I update, you know what I mean? So yeah, until then, uppity, you know. More and thank S again for the hospitality. What me say the word right. What me say the word right. You know what I mean? Because over here me come to spend the hurricane. You know what I mean? So yeah, I was eating good every day. Well, I was consuming good every day. Coming over here and spending this amount a day and getting all of them food here and all of them. Trabass not left over here, you know. Let me tell you that from now, you know. The boy here consume good food over here, you know. Alright, people, let me tell you. One morning, I wake up. My breakfast was some ackee and saltfish with some fried breadfruit, with some fried plantain on the side. You know what I mean? With some sorrel ginger tea. All them tea, all them breakfast, the Trabass I get every morning, you know. Every morning, you know. You hear me? I tell you say. Right now, my son hurt, you know, because me feel like me need to stay over here and just consume them good food, yeah. But me don't always cook good food, so you know, so we eat swell also. Yesterday for dinner, it was actually brown stew, swim around with pear on the side, pumpkin sweet potato, ripe plantain, yeah, and some coconut water. The boy over here clean him out every day, drink coconut water. Right now I'm heart pure. You know what I mean? So at them type of life that him live when him over here. So yeah, we're there. Up it with no pity. Me just upload this and go no cam. Right now me just a chat. Mad move. Big up me Jesus. Remember for comment, subscribe, like and all of them good something there. And remember for leave to the comment in the comment section supposed to be prayer for Bahamas. You know what I mean? Because we're there and we have to really pray for Bahamas. So yeah, up it. Big up on yourself. I know me just say me gone like a while, but I'm here again. I think if me for just upload this or just vlog out the whole day and then upload that, because it'll be more, you know what I mean? In terms of just the talking I wanna get right now. I probably go to the jail. Probably go to jail, go work out, get in some sweat in the morning, yeah. Run up and down, you know. Me feel for work out. My diet me no broke diet and now me I go 3 weeks without consume no rice, no meat. Swim around are the only thing me consume, and broccoli, pumpkin, you know what I mean, the flour, the unbleached flour, me try out that they actually good. And me need to try out the cauliflower rice because me not like brown rice or parboiled rice, so me go try out the cauliflower rice. It actually I go good so far, and that's something I miss myself I do for the long run, you know what I mean? Me no feel me I go back to meat and them something they are go back to rice and all of them something. If me go back to rice, as me say, cauliflower rice, and would I eat small portion of rice, and it not gonna just be rice, it gonna be probably pumpkin rice or something where me can just have a little bit of rice in and just fully a pumpkin, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's a go on. As me say, blessings and respect again to each and everybody, you know, where they are with me on the journey. You remember the vlog when me telling you say, yo, me I try the journey thing here and to leave some encouragement words. I can't thank you enough for all of them kindness there and everything when me actually so only really and truly take the time out for comment on the vlog and really left some encouragement words. So one day I might feel like say yo me nobody want to do this and I just go to the comment section and I just read some of my comments them and I'm good again, you know what I mean? So that was the whole purpose for the video there, for something we can go back on and reflect and listen on as me G's them and just hear what I say, you know what I mean? So that was good and me really appreciate that from you. So yeah, blessings and respect. Me can't stress the fact how much me appreciate, you know, for really sit down and take the time out, because with life it's time management. In a life you have a happy life if you can manage your time. And that's 100% correct. If you can manage your time right, you will always have a happy life. You know what I mean? Because if you work, no matter how you work, and all of them something, no matter what you have to do, if you manage your time right, you will good. Because if you find time for work, you find time for play, you find time for chill and communicate with family and good friends and all of them something, life good. You know what I mean? Life is all about time management, so just learn how to manage your time. So yeah, me did just come back for some blessings and respect to you and how much me appreciate you because you always show the love and support that to me, but the way me have to show it to I just go to more content, keep going to more thing, keep going to more thing, you know what I mean? Always upgrade phone and upgrade with So yeah, for this time me just gonna go into this in the morning and continue vlog out the day and just post that tomorrow. So yeah man, blessings and respect again, 100% blessings and respect again, and you know, thanks for become one of my G's, you know what I mean? So up it, mad move.